Hello everyone. In the last video, we talked about how to create and explore databases. Since data in MySQL is stored in tables, it's important to learn how to create tables. In this video, we will learn how to create tables. Let's continue with our example of creating a job portal. And let's say we want to store data of users in a table. Let's say we want to call the table as user details. For starters, let's say this table has only 3 fields. The field names written here, which we want, one is, let's say name, which will be the name of the user, and this will be a text field. The second field I want is designation, which is the designation of the user, which is again a text field. And the third one is, let's say, the salary, which will be an integer field. Something you need to know at this point is that in MySQL, in order to create a table, 2 things are required. First is the structure, so you need to define the structure of the table first. And the next thing is inserting data into the table. So let's go to the MySQL shell. So let's first define the structure or schema of this table. The command to do so in MySQL is to create table command, which is like this. Create table and the name of the table. Then I'll open a small parenthesis, close it, and the semicolon. In the small parentheses, I have to basically write the field names and their types. For example, the first field name here is name, and the type is text. The second field name is designation, and type is text. And the third field name is salary, and the type is int. So the first field name I'm going to write inside the parentheses is going to be name, and then text. Next, designation, and it's text as well. And next, salary, and it's integer. We close the parentheses and semicolon. I press enter, and it says query OK, 0 rows affected, which means it has successfully created the table. In order to verify if the table is created successfully, we can use the show tables command, which basically tells you all the tables which are there in the current database. So let's type show tables and semicolon and enter. So job portal is our database, and as you can see, our table user details is here, which is created. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will learn how to insert records into our users details table.